Hello students, if you are a student of Sainik School, NVS, RIMC, RMS, then the area and perimeter chapter is very important for your entrance exam. Area and perimeter. In this chapter, only you have to study about area of a square and perimeter of a square, and area and perimeter of rectangle, and area and perimeter of triangle, that is right angle triangle. Okay, so your syllabus is you have to study about square, rectangle, and right angle triangle. Okay, only you have to study three things, that is square, rectangle, and triangle. In triangle, you have to study only right angle triangle. As I have told you that I will provide the video in YouTube also. So today I am going to teach the chapter area and perimeter. And this is your syllabus, and we are going to discuss about this topic. All right. Now, first of all, discuss what is area, then perimeter. Okay, so if I am going to discuss about area, then area is, you can say, area is a plane figure. Okay, area is a plane figure, is the total space enclosed by the boundary. Okay, area is a total space enclosed by boundary. If I can say that this is your boundary, and the area enclosed by this boundary is your area. Okay, so you can say total space enclosed by the boundary is known as the area. Whenever you are going to find out the area, your unit is always in square. Always in square. Okay, that is unit square. Now, let us understand about perimeter. What is perimeter? Okay, many of you know what is perimeter. So let us discuss about perimeter. Perimeter. Total length of boundary is known as a perimeter. In very simple words, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि perimeter आपका होता है sum of all length of boundaries is known as a perimeter. Okay, I hope you got it. So the unit of perimeter is unit. That is simply unit, no square, nothing else. All right. So now we have to study only about area and perimeter, and I hope you understood what is area and what is perimeter and what's their unit. It's a very simple, बहुत ही आसान था. एरिया क्या था? हमारा टोटल स्पेस इनक्लोज बाय बाउंड्री, वो हमारा एरिया था. पेरीमीटर क्या था? हमारा सम ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ ऑल बाउंड्री is known as a perimeter. It's very simple. Okay, let us discuss some questions so that you can get better. Okay, suppose this is your rectangle. Okay, a rectangle. In your rectangle, length is greater than breadth. This is your length, and this is breadth. Okay, and if I ask you, suppose this is your 5 meters, this is 3 meters. Okay, I can write here 3 meters and 5 meters. Length is 5 meters and breadth is 3 meters. I'm talking about rectangle. If I ask you to find out the area, then first of all you have to know the formula of area of rectangle. Then only you can find out the answer of this question. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, that is length into breadth. Or this is the formula for area of rectangle. You can note down. Learn this formula. Now let us discuss about perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay, 2 into L plus B means length and breadth. You can easily understood that you are going to add all these boundary as I have discussed earlier. So I have done the same. L plus L, B plus B. It means 2 times L and 2 times B. So I have taken 2 common from this. So it becomes 2L plus B. And the unit is unit only. Okay. It's simply unit, and its area unit is square. Unit is square. Okay. So you can note down this formula. इसको आपको लर्न कर लेना है. It is very useful for you if you are an aspirant of Sainik school, Navodaya school, and military school. Now let us discuss one question. Okay, if I ask you to find out the find the area and perimeter of rectangular field whose breadth is equal to 50 meters and length is equal to 20 meters. Okay, so I'm going to find out the area. So area of rectangle, we know very well that L into B, that is length into breadth, and its unit is square. So length is given 20 meters and breadth is given 50 meters. So when you will multiply, you will get, I think, 1000 meters square. Okay, I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Now let us find out the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to what? I have just discussed you the formula of perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B. You can put the value of length and breadth, that is 2 into 20 plus 50, which is equal to 140 meters. When you will solve it, you will get 140. 50 plus 20 is equal to 70, and 70 into 2 is equal to 140. Okay, so this is your answer of this question. आई होप ये क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा. दिस इज वार्म अप. जस्ट मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन लिया था, एंड आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, लेट अस डिस्कस one question from square also. Square. Okay, find the area and perimeter of square field whose side equal to 40 meters. Okay, we also know that in square, suppose this is a square field. Suppose this is a square field and the side is given 40 meters. And we already know that in square, all sides are equal. If one side is a 40, it means all sides are 40 meters. I hope ये आपको पता होगा. तो in question given 40 meter, तो ये आपका भी 40 meter होगा. Yeah, this also, this also. Okay. So before this, I hope I have discussed about. No, I have not discussed about this. So in square, you have all sides are equal. Then the area, then the formula of this square, formula of area. Formula of area of square is equal to what? Side square. You can note down this formula for square. That is side square. Okay. Now you can also note down the formula of perimeter of square. The perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Because it has a 4 sides, 4 equal sides. So 4 into side is the perimeter, and that is unit, and its unit is square. This is a side, this is a perimeter. Okay. Now in your question, you have given side is equal to 40 meter. You can put the value of side in this. You will get your area. When you put the value of side in this formula, you will get the value of perimeter. Okay. Now let us find out the area. So area is equal to side square, that is 40 meter. So 40 square and a unit is meter square. So I think it's 1600 meter cube is your answer. Now let us find out the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 4 into side. And unit is meter. So 4 into side is given 40 meter. 160 meter is your perimeter and 1600 is your area. I hope ये दोनों क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कैसे हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं एरिया और पेरीमीटर, स्क्वायर का और रेक्टेंगल का. चलिए, तो इन दोनों फार्मूला को आप याद कर सकते हो. इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर योर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. And one more thing I would like to tell you, if you are going to prepare for your entrance exam, so you have to learn the formula. Don't think that I will copy the formula from my notebook and I will solve the question. In your entrance exam, there is no any notebook available which you have made at your home. Okay, so it's better for you to note down all the formula and learn it. Okay, I have done the concept of rectangle and square. Let us discuss about triangle. So your third topic is triangle. Again, we are going to discuss about the formula of area of triangle and the perimeter of triangle. All right. Okay, so this is your triangle. When your triangle having 90 degree, out of three angle, if one angle is 90 degree, it is known as a right angle triangle. You can say, sir, it's right angle triangle. All right. So area of right angle triangle is 1/2 into base into height. Okay. So this is your base. Don't get confused. This is your base. This is your height. And this is your hypotenuse. Okay. So you have to apply this formula to get your area of right angle triangle. Now, and we know that perimeter is equal to what? Sum of all boundary. So you can add their length to find out your perimeter. Okay. Now let's do one question quickly to find out the answer of the question. Suppose you have given a question. Okay. So this is your question. Find out the area of right angle triangle whose base and height are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. Okay. Now we have given base and height. Okay. Base and height, that is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. Okay. So I can write down the formula. Either I can draw the diagram first. So this is your right angle triangle. This is 90 degree and this is base. The base is given, that is 3 centimeter, and height is given, that is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now apply the formula. As we know that formula is equal to, formula of area is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Now put the value to get your answer. Base is given 3 and height is given 4. And its unit is centimeter square. Since we are finding out the area, so unit is centimeter square. 2 2 is a 4. So you can say, sir, 3 into 2 is equal to 6 centimeter square is your correct answer. I hope you got it. So for today, till here, your class is still here, and I hope you can easily understood what's going on when you are going to solve this chapter, area and perimeter, how to find out the area, how to find out the perimeter of square, rectangle and triangle. ऑल राइट, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। और जितने भी फार्मूला को मैंने ब्रैकेट बनाया है उनको क्या करना है, आपको लर्न करना है। बी प्रिपेयर्ड, इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डिस्कस about more questions. All right.